Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily register and become a driver on Doordash, right? How you can do it. So it's very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to just go to Google, right? You have to just go to Google and here just type Doordash driver, right? And hit the enter icon and you will get this first icon. So open it up. Once you open it up, first of all, it will ask you to sign up to become a dasher, right? Basically the driver, right? And make sure that you are into that area, that city, right? So just click on next. By the way, if this is not a valid postal card, of course they are not going to accept it. So here they will show you, once you type your postal air code here, they will just give you location. So just click on the next. Now here you have to enter your email address, so just let me add it into it. After that, you have to enter your phone number. So use your valid active phone number. Once you have added it, but before moving to the next step, I would like to inform you that you need to be 18 plus to join the DoorDash driver, right? You can drive a car, motorcycle, scooter, bike, depending upon your location. And of course, you need to have a driving license and insurance if driving a car or motorcycle, right? They are going to check, of course, after once, if you're eligible for all these stuffs, DoorDash conduct a background check to ensure that you have a clean record, you're not have any criminal or something, right? So here, as I shown you that basically this is how you can sign in into a DoorDasher. Basically for the driver occupation, you have to just enter your phone number and email address, and that's it. After that, they will ask you some of the informations, just such as your full name, date of birth, and society security social security number, and you have to upload a valid photo of your driving license, and of course your insurance proof as well as your photo ID and everything, right? After all this application, they will do a background check and they will authorize you, and then you will become a valid or dasher driver, and you can just deliver the foods or whatever it is. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.